exposing the secrets to a smooth OnePlus 13 experience. Fix your freezing phone in no time. First up, try a force restart. Hold the power button for 10-15 seconds until your phone vibrates and restarts. This can clear up those pesky glitches. Next, check for updates. Go to Settings, then System, and tap on System Updates. Keep your software fresh to squash any bugs. Still stuck? Clear the cache partition. Power off your phone, hold power and volume up until the logo appears, then navigate to Wipe Cache Partition and select it. Once done, reboot your system. If the problem persists, boot into safe mode. Power off, then hold the power button till the logo shows, release it, and press volume down until safe mode appears. If freezing stops, uninstall any recent apps. As a last resort, consider a factory reset. Remember, this will erase all data, so back up first. Go to Settings, System, Reset Options, then choose Erase All Data. If your OnePlus 13 is still frozen, it might be a hardware issue. Contact OnePlus support or visit a repair center.